Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today is 25th November, International Day for the Elimination of Violence against Women. International Day for the Elimination of Violence against Women is celebrated on November 25 by the activism of 16 Days of United Nations, Pan-American Health Organization, that is fully covered by United Nations. Home campaigns, International Day for the Elimination of Violence against Women, 2023, 16 Days of Activism against Gender-Based Violence. The International Day for the Elimination of Violence against Women and the 16 Days of Activism is an opportunity to raise awareness about the health and social consequences of violence against women and strengthens our commitment to collective action. Gender-based violence has a devastating and widespread impact in the region, generating serious consequences for the health and well-being of women and girls. That is very important for this day. However, it is crucial to highlight that violence against women and girls can be prevented and its negative effects can be mitigated only by us. This year, the theme of the 16 days is investing to prevent violence against women and girls, focusing on the importance of investing in different prevention strategies to stop violence from its beginning. It is very important for us too. From November 25 to December 10, the Pan-American Health Organization joins a coalition made up of governments, civil society organizations, the United Nations system, and other partners to commemorate 16 days of activism against gender-based violence. This international campaign is carried out annually, spanning from the International Day for the Elimination of Violence against Women, that is, to Human Rights Day, December 10. Its main objective is to advocate for the prevention and eradication of violence against women and girls in all its manifestations. This year, a special emphasis is placed on the importance of allocating human, financial, and other preventions to evidence-based strategies that have the best potential for stopping violence from the very start day of this important. This approach aligns with progress towards the adoption and rollout of respect in the region, the multi-agency and multi-sector framework with 7 strategies, that means potential to end violence against women and girls. Yes, now more than ever, it is time to take action to eliminate all forms of violence against women and girls. That's why we are here. This isn't a new issue of the Americas. There is a wealth of knowledge on how to address violence and many good practice examples that we can learn from and build on to advance this agenda together. Thank you very much for hearing me patiently. Looking forward to my next video. And never forgive the violence stoppers. Assalamu alaikum.